Hi my lovies, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we have this crisscross hairstyle with a little crochet hair in the middle. So welcome. If it's your first time to stop by, thank you, you are welcome. My name is Glory Mtu, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Straight away to the video, I started by dividing my hair into 4 sections. This is the first section, and I go ahead and secure it with hairband, and then I move to other side, which I do exactly the same thing. Then back section. Take your time, honey, when you make your lines. Slow down slowly to get clean lines. So this is how it is. I go ahead and apply some gel on my lines just to make sure the line they are clean and neat, and then I make the line again. This is so after that, this side I'll divide only 2 sections. And after that, I go ahead and start to divide the small section, which I'll use to make this crisscross. Each line, I make the straight line from these 2 different lines. And then after this, one section I secure with rubber band. Don't worry, later I'll remove these rubber bands. I just secure it to avoid me to tag this section together. So here is like this. Here. You can see 4 sections I secure with rubber band. This is the amount of hair I will use. And direct I start wrapping on my sections. How we are wrapping, I wrap till I make sure the section is long enough to join to the next section on other lines, and then I hold them together, then I continue wrapping. When you are wrapping, you must make sure the distance from one section to another is long enough, not short, not too long, to get clean crisscross. And then I keep going, wrapping till I feel like the section is enough to hold together with the next section on other line, and then I move together. And here, this is how I secure just small section, and I secure only 1 time. You can secure 2 times if you want, but I secure only 1 time. So here I'm going to repeat this other side. As you see, I remove rubber band before I start wrapping the section, because in this hairstyle, no need rubber band, and this style take very few hair, honey, and very easy. So here we go. Then keep wrapping. Here you can wrap in any direction, but you have to make sure direction you are going in the same direction with the direction you start wrapping. Don't wrap this direction several times then go another different side. This crisscross will not come out. And another thing, you have to make sure you hold the hair well. Even when you want to move on other side, you keep hold it, because if you don't hold it well, this crisscross will unravel, so they will not show out. When I jump to back section, here I have two mirror, one front and one back, to help me to make clean lines. So here we go. I divide two sections in back. One section I divide into two, so like this, and I start to divide the small section each lines. So one section I secure with rubber band, then the next section I leave it without secure with rubber band, then the next one. I hope this makes sense. The more you watch, the more you will understand more than the way I explain. So this section here, I will secure it with rubber band. So as you see, two sections I secure with rubber band, while two sections I didn't secure with rubber band. Same direction to other side. But here is, if the first section I secure with rubber band, it means here to this second line I'll secure the second section. Then the third one I'll leave it without secure, then the last one I will secure. Yes, here like this. When you are doing the back section, you have to make sure your hand moving to different angles. And keep in your mind, do not release your section, because here we only wrapping. If you release the section will unravel and crisscross will not show out. Even when you move your hand, you must make sure you still hold your section very well. Then continue wrapping. You can see I move my hand to different direction, to different angles. I wrapping to different sides, just to get this crisscross well. And you can achieve this hairstyle using yarn or using braiding hair. All you can get this style. Just pick which one is easy for you to do it. Like here, I see the section not enough, so I continue wrapping to make the section long enough, and then I hold together with the next section on the next line. Then I continue wrapping till I finish this section. And this is how I secure, because here the hair very few, so I just take all section and I secure it. I will do this other side of the camera, and this is how the back section looks like. So middle here you can do any kind of cornrow or flat twist, even rolling the section, that's okay. The most important is you have to make sure you braid this front line, so that when you crochet your hair, your crochet will cover front side and side to side, I mean right side and left side, even back side. So here I do flat twist. And here I do round. So this line I make sure is round, so that after crochet the hair will cover, the hair will cover well the front section, back section, and right and left section. And don't forget, when you are doing wherever, if it's cornrow or flat twist, you must hold those other tails together so that it will not show out. I use this hair, and each section I cut into 2 equal parts, and then I split each. So 1 piece I cut into 2, then I get 4 pieces because each piece I split. Then I start crochet. When I crochet, I only seal this hair only 1 time, just like this. I pull it well, and then I jump to another section, which I crochet the same way. And I make sure I crochet very close from one section to another, because I want this hair to cover all front section and left side well. So take your time, crochet enough hair. Then keep going. If you don't have this curly hair, here in my channel I show how to change your straight hair into curly hair. I'll put the link in description below. So guys, check in description below, you'll find the link on how you can change your straight hair, and you get very clean and perfect curly. So I continue crochet here. Till I feel this section is very full. But before that, I make sure I pull this hair out just to get a natural look. And then I go ahead and trim all hanging hair and make sure this hair looking good, looking like natural hair. So keep trimming till I make sure I get that look I want. Just take your time, slowly. You can decide either you want to make it a little long or you want to make your hair a little short. That's your choice. But honey, this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I hope you get one more protective style. I love you guys so much. My God bless you abundantly. Have a wonderful week. I will see you soon on my next video, guys. But please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and give this video thumb up. Bye bye.